Using subordinating conjunctions. Mas gusto ko pang manood ng pelikula kaysa sa balita. I prefer watching movies rather than news. Kahit na ayaw mo, wala kang magagawa. Whether you don't want to, you can't do anything. Gusto niya ng karne, samantalang ikaw, mas gusto mo ang gulay. He or she loves meat, whereas you like vegetable. Kapag nagbabakasyon ako, lagi kong dala ang tsinelas ko. Whenever I'm on a vacation, I always bring my slippers. Sa sandaling makauwi ka na, tawagan mo agad ako. Call me as soon as you came home. Ayaw niyang sumuko kahit na alam niyang wala siyang karapatan. She doesn't want to give up, even though she knows she doesn't have the rights. Matutuloy ang plano maliban kung umayaw ka. The plan will be pursued unless you refuse. Bibitawan lang kita kung sasabihin mo ang totoo. I will let you go only if you tell the truth. Bubuksan ko ang pinto nang makapasok ka. I'll open the door so that you can come in. Gusto ko ang kalidad ng bagay na yan. Parang binili sa ibang bansa. I like the quality of that thing, as if it was bought abroad. Tatanggapin ko ang alok mo kung bibigyan mo ako ng diskwento. I'll accept your offer, provided that you will give me discount. Ang bitaminang ito ay dapat inumin isang beses sa isang araw para palakasin ang resistensya mo. This vitamin should be taken once a day in order to boost your immune system. Pumili ka alinman ang gusto mo. Choose whichever you like. Huwag kang susuko hanggang hindi mo nakakamit ang pangarap mo. Don't give up until you reach your dream.